A lot of e-billing systems have functionality where you can request accruals from law firms. You can prompt your law firms with emails or set reminders or deadlines on a pretty automated basis in an e-billing platform. The problem always, though, is that you're relying on your law firms to, one, provide that data in time for you to be able to deliver what finance require, and two, you're relying on their accuracy, and you're asking them to estimate or produce a forward-looking estimate, and that's inherently quite difficult for firms to do. It's very, very hard to be accurate when it comes to legal spend on an hourly basis, because you don't know what's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. It could be a lot higher than you think it is, right, if something changes on a matter. And this leads to a really interesting phenomenon, Chris, which is that law firms have to slightly cushion their accruals estimates. Because if they under-accrue, they're at risk then of upsetting the client when it comes to the point of invoice. And what we've seen in the data over and over again is that accruals tend to be a little bit overestimated, right? There tends to be a little bit of an inflationary edge in accruals. And while that might be really intuitive to people who work with law firms and in legal operations, finance teams, that can present some challenges for how they actually run their part of the process.